Hello YouTube, this is Michael Provenzano. Damn it. Yeah, sorry. The monitor just doesn't fit on the thing. Um, but anyways, this is my latest code. It's actually one I've been trying to do for a while. It's called JackInTheBox. So what I've done is I've actually made this. Oh, ear went numb. It's a polymorphic encoder, kind of like this is a kind of like the Caesar cipher, except instead of the key shifting like left or right a certain amount of times, it's randomly generated. It's pretty cool. And then this is a string class I made. It just basically makes things like it just makes a bunch of strings, like random strings in characters, and I don't know. I'll have to show you. But and then this one is a gzip. It compresses text with the gzip. And then this is just encrypts text, but the text is decryptable. You just need to use this, right? It's encrypted, and then it'll execute the decrypted. And then this is just standard stuff like base64 and hex encoding. Here are the arguments. This is the test file. So let's do import requests URL equals God, I type so slow. R equals request.get URL print r.status code. Okay, so if we do all right, let me show you how it works. So can we actually make this like bigger? Command plus. Oh, whoa, yeah, that made it way bigger. All right, command plus, just once, twice. That looks huge. My computer's not liking this. I'll make it fast. So actually what I'll do is stop Chrome. Alright. So if we do JackInTheBox, it says here JackInTheBox by my phone. What is anti-malware? Python files only. If we do we could just do -h. Here are all the options. So in file is I. Encoders or encoder, we use tag key to specify the encoder, and we can look at all the encoders with by specifying that, and then we can specify an obfuscator, and then we can use this to look at the obfuscator, and then we can pack it, encrypt it, or if we could use the random, and this will just obfuscate it with all the options randomly. So if we look at encoders, we have base64 and hex, and then if we look at obfuscators, then we have rand. It's supposed to stand for random encoder, and then string class. They're both polymorphic, but let's actually let's do I forgot to set the R with no options. I'll do that after, but we'll just take something, and then we'll do tag I for in file. What was it again? Test up file, and then what was it? F tag F. Yeah, tag F for heat up high. All right, and then it says, yeah, it spits it out. Right here. Nope, that's not it. Right here. Alright, I'm gonna zoom out. So this is it, right? No, I think it just doesn't like all this. Yeah, I think it just doesn't like it. But yeah, right now this is the polymorphic encoder. This is what this looks like. So it is base64 encoded first, and then what I did was there's like this is the key, right? So this will be that, and this new lines will be U, spaces will be K. So it'll just substitute it. But it's random every time. This key is randomized every time, so it's pretty cool. So if we just instead of executing it, let's print, right? And then let's do Python 3 t.py, right? Okay. Oh wait, hold on, I was just there. Okay. So here is the this is the random strings. All it does is it creates random text here, and then it separates each character like this into this, and it just basically adds them all together. Down here is where it adds them all. It adds them all to this, and then we execute it. But we're gonna print it. All right, and then here is the next one is the gzip compressed. So if we run this, oh wait, hold on, print. Okay, it's the gzip compressed. And now if we do this, it's hex encoded. Print. And now it's base64 encoded. We need to print this. Right? I gotta we need to decode this. I'm gonna have to fix that. Alright. And then here it is. I think this is the final one. Yep, there it is. This is it. Encrypted. We will use Fernet. We encrypt the message. This key is randomly generated, and we decrypt it, and then we execute it. That's it. I need to fix that one little thing, but after that, it should be gold. I'm also gonna redo it and clean it up a lot. I just hacked it together. So yeah. Like, comment, subscribe.